All right. So I think let's just wait for like 2 more minutes because there are people joining from 7:30 batch as well because the Zoom had crashed today at 7:30 around 7:30, so we couldn't have a class. So let's just wait for them also to join.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I was absent for Saturday's class
Hmm.
and I went through the recording of the class, okay? And
Okay.
in that, the recording is like in two parts,
Huh.
and in between 10 minutes is like cut.
Yeah. Is it 10 minutes is cut?
Yeah, yeah. The
Uh,
day, like when you started walls.
huh.
So in between, 10 minutes is cut. I couldn't get that.
Okay. 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 Um I'll just go through it. Can you just tell me, Bhumika, exactly which topic is left? I'll help you out with that.
Yes, ma'am. Like you thought about the walls and everything, and then in edit type, you went and you showed us how to add layers, like
Profile.
yeah, profiles.
Huh.
You made that into 250 and then you started adding layers like outside, exterior, and
Huh,
interior.
huh, huh. Yeah.
Yeah, like there you stopped it, and then the next video you were teaching the how to apply materials to it.
Oh, okay. Oh, you haven't, I don't think so you have missed out much. In that, Bhumika, it was just that part only, adding layers and then adding material to each layer and then changing the thickness of each layer. That's what I was doing earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just like adding thickness to particular
Yeah,
layer.
yeah, yeah. And then because then we move forward to adding profiles and all those
Yeah,
things.
that and all is there.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
yeah,
Um, Hello, ma'am. This is
yeah,
Deepika.
yeah, Deepika.
Ma'am, actually, you're teaching. You taught about that split region, no, ma'am. In that wall, you can give up,
Yeah, yeah.
but that is not working for me. I tried like kind of 3 to 5 times, but it's not properly cut.
Are you cutting it like when you're doing the selection? Are you clicking on it properly?
Yeah, actually, I saw the video because even I am also absent on
Mm-hmm.
Saturday. So I just saw your video and I'm seeing that one and I'm doing that,
Hmm.
but still, it's not working for me.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Fine. I'll just in that now, Devika, what happens basically when you must be selecting that layer, only at that point the selection might not be happening, right? You are able to cut the wall into two parts and all those things are happening, but when you're trying to select the other portion, it's not happening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it actually happens. Okay, that portion I'll tell you how to go about it because that it's actually like you have to select it properly. That's it. I mean, even for me, it happens a lot of times that when I'm clicking, I'm missing out the selection. But then you have to keep trying click, like you have to try clicking on it, and then it will get selected.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try because is there anything like a procedure to click in that way like that, ma'am?
No, no, no. You just have to zoom in and then click.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll try. Ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then let's get started for today.
Uh,
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, continue the doubt that she had. Even I faced the same issue that
Hmm.
like I wasn't able to click into the region. So is there something like we have to click only the edges or you have to click only
Yeah,
the
yeah,
region?
actually that's what, like when you click on near the edges, no, then it takes. Then sometimes if you move your mouse inside the region, then it might not take. Or even then it takes. So it's like you really need to click into some areas and then Revit will instantly pick.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right. Then, which was the last topic for you guys, the 7:30 batch? I think the curtain wall, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. And after that, we didn't do anything after doing the curtain wall. 7:30 batch, like last was the curtain wall only, no?
last topic was a column. We made pillars on.
Yeah, that was for 9:30. That was for 9:30. That's what I
Oh,
think. Yeah, there is like gap of 2-3 topics because of the speed of the class. But then I'll anyway I'm going to start a new topic which will be new for both of you for today. So let's get started. Again, we'll just open the architectural template and a new project file. Okay, so today we are going to start the door and window thing. So for this, basically what you have to do first is there has to be a wall. So I'm taking gender 200. I'll click and I'll draw this. Okay. Now I have created a wall. I have created these walls. Now what I need to do is I will go to the door option. So when I click on the door option, you will see M single flush. Now, can anybody tell me what is M single flush and what is 0915 and 2134? What is the difference between these two?
What the heck?
M single flush is
Made by
family
height.
Yeah, yeah. M single
and
flush is the
zero
family and this one is the type. So when you
type.
click on this, see, M single flush is highlighted by the gray color. That means this is the family name. And all these are the types under this family. And right now, only this one is by default present um, in my project file. So let me just select any one of the door and I can just place it. So see, when your cursor is somewhere like anywhere on the screen other than near the wall, so it shows this icon. But as soon as you bring your cursor near your door near your wall, it will show the floor plan of door. See now how to place the door? I just have to click on it like this. Click on it. And your door has been placed. Okay, could everybody place it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now when I go to the 3D to check how this is looking, like how the entire thing is looking, so I can see that my doors are properly placed in the wall. Like I don't have to create opening or anything. It's like automatically it will create the opening and the door is placed. So if I change the shaded, this thing to shaded, I can see all the doors. Now let's just click on one of the doors and check the edit type parameters. What all are the type parameters? So I'll click on this and family M single flush type so and so. Now you have all these things like the door material, frame material, all these things are there. You can change the thickness of the door, height of the door. So if you want to create a door of some different height, how do you do it? You just duplicate it first and then change the thickness. And if you want to change the thickness, you can change the thickness, height, width, all these things you can change. So once you're done with this, you just have to do OK. So let's say I'm duplicating it. I want one of 900 by 2100. it is now 2100 height. So this is how you can change the type of the door. This is how you can change the type of the door. Now, how to place, like this is one door, but how to load other types of doors? So for that, what you have to do, but before that, let's just see what all changes can we do in this present door only. So click on this and see, either you double click on this and then you enter the family. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, exactly how do we change the size of the door when I'm clicking on edit type? I'm not able to get all the parameters that you were getting.
Are you clicking on the door first?
Hello?
Yeah, are you clicking on the door first?
Yeah, I'm clicking on the door.
Then go to edit type. Can you see like
Yeah.
is there like all the tabs completely open?
Yeah, everything is open, but
You get the
I'm not able to
dimension.
see. No,
There's no dimension parameter you're seeing.
no. I'm
Okay.
getting graphics identity data. Only these two parameters are there.
Graphics, I don't know. That shouldn't be there. Are you getting this?
Yeah, exactly this.
What is written on the top? Family and type.
Yeah.
This is what it's written. Family is
No, it's system family floor plan.
yeah. That's what I asked you now, right? Did you select the door first? Did it get updated, the properties of a door?
Yeah.
No, it
Uh,
wouldn't have been. See?
the door is blue in color right now.
Mm-mm-mm. See, when I click on this, is this thing coming under the property panel?
No.
That means your,
Floor plan is there.
huh?
Floor plan is coming. Okay, when I go into 3D and then I click on it, still I'm getting 3D view only. This door is not getting selected.
How come your door is not getting selected? Okay, go to door again and now select any of the doors and then place it.
Okay, yeah, I did. I just placed a door.
And then your
Yeah,
property
now it's
panel will not,
coming. Now it's coming.
then you're not selecting properly. So now go to edit type.
Okay. No, still, it's not happening.
Did you press
The
escape?
door is coming in blue color, ma'am.
As in when you click on this.
Yeah, I think I'm able to see that the different doors are getting selected, but in the properties, it's still showing 3D view only.
That is not possible. If it's selecting the object, it will show the problem. Can you share the image with me?
Yeah, I'll just send you a picture.
Yeah,
1
so I'm going
second.
to share the image with me and I'll have a look because otherwise it's not possible. Share the image or share the video also, then it's fine.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
ma'am.
So,
1 second.
guys, what you have to do next is click on any one of the doors and do edit family. On the top, you have edit family. Click on edit family. Can you see this? Can you see the 3D view of your door?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this is my panel.
Ma'am, what is after edit family, ma'am?
Nothing. Like this is what will come after you click on edit family. Either
Did
this or
you
your,
change that into realistic, ma'am?
oh yeah. I changed the this thing, not realistic, shaded.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. All right. Did you all enter like into the family of the door? Could you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, after you're done with creating the door, now what I want all of you to do is click on this panel, the door panel. What do you think it is? Like, what if I want to do some change? I want to create some void in this door. Can I do that?
Yeah, ma'am.
How to enter into the family, ma'am? Just double clicking, is it?
Click. You will see this option. Edit family. Click on this. Yeah. So how do I edit how do I create voids for glasses? Let's say I want to add glass panels in this door. How do I add the glass panel in this door panel?
Edit extrusion.
Yeah. And
We can just make a shape we want.
okay, let's say I want like 4 rectangles. So how do I go about it? Like I'll select rectangle and then where should I place it?
Draw in between.
Okay, see, I have extruded, like I have changed the boundary of extrusion, and now I'll do finish edit mode. But can anybody tell me how to add a glass in this store? What if I want to add glass in those panels? I mean, in those voids.
Edit type again, ma'am.
Edit type again. Edit type. Why edit type?
To change the material.
No. I want to add glass in these voids. There's nothing right now, no? See, there's nothing.
Void extrusion.
Void extrusion. But void extrusion will create void again. I won't have glass.
Ma'am,
Then make a extrusion.
Yeah. How do I go? Try it first, guys. I want all of you to try doing this. Wait, I'll show it to you what you have to do. Make a door, then make these panels. And for these 4 panels, I want glass material. Vishwanath, you're getting that no door families is loaded in the project, is it? Then that means basically from your library, no door family is getting loaded. Is your library, does it have the door folder, door families? Check in your library.
Archita, I have the same problem, but I have the things in the tools. I mean, in the library.
What
So
you
which one
have
should
the things in?
I have options in the library actually.
You
But
have the
say the
option.
same.
You go and open in the library.
Yeah, I opened it. I don't know which one to choose. Though. Single flush or single flush vision, single glass.
Yeah. Just open the single flash one.
Oh yeah, single flush. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
Vishnu. Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Yes. 1 second, Vishwanath. Share your screen.
Ma'am, it's showing host can share the
Yeah,
share.
I just now changed this thing. Now try to share.
One second. Yeah, it's showing like February.
Uh, I can't see your screen properly, Vishwanath.
The photo
No,
in
as in you're in your this thing. You don't have to share. You are just using your camera, no? Don't share. Do stop share. Yeah, now it's fine. Hmm. Show it to me. Yeah, just stop. Click on this. Click on the top bar which shows the path of the folder.
is this ma'am?
No. The top one. Program data. Go to program data. Not
Program data.
program. Yeah. In C drive you have program, not program files. Program data.
One second.
Under C drive you have something called program data. Open C drive first. Yeah. You don't have program data. Go to the second program file. Here you have Autodesk. No, go to Autodesk. Okay. Go to the first one. No. I mean the first program file. Open Autodesk. Okay. Revit 2018,
No,
2020.
ma'am,
You have.
it's 2020, ma'am.
Okay. Open that. You have open AutoCAD 2020.
Yes, ma'am.
Revit 2020. Click on Revit 2020, Vishwanath. You have opened AutoCAD. Okay. Go down, scroll down. Scroll down. Where your library file is not visible, and this is basically all your program files.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
do one thing, Vishwanath, just download your Revit library because I think there is some problem like your program data is also not appearing. It should be this one. If it's not there in your program data, it should be in your program files. But then I can't see the library option.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Kirtana, ma'am. I want to share my screen, ma'am.
Okay, Keetana. One second. Vishwanath, just download a new family, this thing, Revit family folder, download it and keep it somewhere and then try to open it from that. Because yours, I think you're not able to find the family, the library.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So just download it externally, the entire family library, and then from there you open it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Keetana, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the void, ma'am, inside. If I edit profile, I'm just getting the shaded part itself.
No, it's not possible. Share a screen.
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting like this, ma'am.
Because you have edited the frame, Keetana, not the panel.
Okay, ma'am, how to particularly select the panel, ma'am?
Tab, press tab, no? Go inside this again. First close the family. First go to the door family. Yeah. Close it. Cross.
Okay.
Yeah, now again open it. Huh. Now see, right now frame it. Now the panel. Go to the 3D view. Oh, it's 3D view only, no? Now go to a proper angle, viewing angle. Rotate it little bit. Yeah. Yes. Now go and put your cursor on the panel. Press tab. Press tab until the panel is selected. Yeah. Now click.
Now, ma'am.
Again you have selected the frame. You have to decide like how to place your cursors. Yeah. Now the panel is selected. Click.
Okay.
Yeah. See.
Edit,
Now
ma'am.
extrusion. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, and why haven't you placed your project browser properly on the right side and like you have placed your property thing?
Here, ma'am.
Yeah, drag and place on the right side, no? Just like the property panel is placed. As in move it further, right? So that it gets attached to the not on the left side, on right side only. Drag it further so that it gets attached to the right side, and your work area is dependent on like the remaining area will be your work area. Move it further towards right.
Like this, ma'am.
1 second. See. Just move.
Oh shit.
Again. Cross it. Cross it. Cross it. User interface. Get your project browser. Yeah, drag it, click and drag on the top. Yeah. Click on it, drag it. Yeah. Yes. Now just drag it.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
like this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Okay, could anybody get the glass panels in the this void which I created?
Yeah, ma'am.
How did you do it?
I just made a extrusion
Yeah, Khalil,
and
what
applied
did you do?
material on the.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. And how did you do extrusion? Like, what was the first step which you did? Can you show it to me? I'll allow
I
you to share your screen. Can you share your screen?
just a minute, ma'am. I'm not in the. I mean, I'm not in the lab. Yeah, I am on the
Oh,
phone.
acha, okay, it's okay, it's okay. Then just tell me, what did you do first? What do I do first if I want to create a glass panel?
I just entered to the panel and edited it like we wanted.
No. So here you're using the panel to create the void. Then how do you
Yeah,
get
I
the
just selected.
glass?
I first selected the work plane as if I wanted to make the glass on that
Yeah.
hollow
So which will be your work plane? That's what I want to know.
panel.
So I do set, pick a plane, and then which plane do you want me to pick?
Panel, door panel.
This one, this one.
Yeah,
But
not
then,
this one. I selected the entire panel.
okay. But then don't you think, Khalil, if you select this one, the outer surface, then this will be your work plane and you will be creating the glass on this work plane. As in, what if I want to get generally the glass panel is placed in the middle of this area, no?
Okay, I thought if I want to, I mean, we can make the extrusion start from.
That is also fine. That I understand that you can move it accordingly, but then still getting the exact placement would be difficult, right?
Yeah.
So I'll tell you another thing by which you can get the precise and like so that you can get an idea of where you want the glass panel to be placed. So Guys, everybody pay attention over here. Go to create, go to set work plane, pick a plane, okay.
Okay. Sure.
Then click on this, turn on show command. See, now what you need to do is go to extrusion. Now you can actually pick your, like select the entire thing, like what do you want, the thickness and everything you can select. You can type in and put whatever you want, you can put. Let's say 20. Okay. Now I
Again,
can,
ma'am, please, ma'am.
okay. See what is happening over here. First I go to create, extrusion, set, pick a plane. I will select this and I'll turn on show. Now I'll draw the profile. I'll click on this rectangle option and I will create this rectangular profile. Okay. This is how, and like if you want to change the thickness, you can just go and type in and it will get changed. Why am I creating something like specifically choosing this portion and then giving it? Because I want the glass to be present in this, on this work plane. So that's why I have created it in this manner. Now even on this side I can, because both of them belong to the same work plane. So even over here I can just create it. And then,
Ma'am,
yeah,
sorry to interrupt. Instead of creating, can't we copy and then just drag it to the next?
it can't be yeah, you can, because they both belong to the same work plane, so it will get copied. So now,
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so now if I do okay, see, my extrusion is created. I can drag and I can align to the top portion, and in the properties panel you have materials and finishes. So under material I can choose the material by category, click on this, click on the 4 dots and then give the glass material. Okay, see, now the glass material is there and your door is ready. Try doing this, everyone. Just go to the void, do create extrusion, set the plane, then draw on that plane. This way you can copy also. What you were saying, no, to copy. Okay, I think I've moved it. I didn't copy. Now it got copied. Because they belong, like both of them are created in the exact same work plane, it can be copied as well.
Done.
Done?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
1 minute, ma'am.
Done.
Yeah. Take 3 more minutes. From 10:10, we will start the new topic. Just take your time and practice this every.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Is there anybody saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
And how to add materials?
See, if you want to add material, just directly add under properties panel, materials and finishes.
And I have clicked on that material.
Hmm. Done?
Now I can see a tab that door material and frame material.
No. Click on the extruded one, not on this portion. Click on the extrusion. The glass extrusion, the new extrusion which you have created. No, click on that.
Ma'am, I am getting a tab showing associate family parameter.
Associate family parameter. Where are you clicking?
I'm clicking on the extrusion I have made. Then I clicked on materials and finishes. And I am getting associate family parameter.
No, that means you have done something wrong. It should, because that's an independent thing. It's not associated with anything or something. So, are you sure you have created the extrusion properly? Delete it again and try to do it. You have done something is wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. Make a fresh extrusion.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
by making this extrusion and copying this, it's so, it's like a separate thing, right? So can we make a group or like that and apply the material at the same time?
Yeah. You can. I mean, if you make it a group or something, then and then you copy it, then you can like the entire thing will get copied. Or if you're making change in one group and if you have copied it, in both the groups the same changes will be reflected. But then that part we'll see later how to create a group.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
we'll be learning that. Okay.
Yeah. There is a option of model group.
Okay.
Okay. Done,
Thank you.
everybody?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
if we want to change, if we want to edit the changes in the panel after adding the material, how can we go? How can
In
we
this
do it?
panel, just go double click edit.
Go to 2D, like
Do you want me to go to the ground floor or where?
not ground floor, but in the 2D part. How we have we created the voids in 2D forms?
In 2D
Okay.
forms. No, we
Okay.
selected this and then we did edit extrusion.
Okay. From in the front elevation, we can do it. Okay, got it, ma'am.
Okay, now, okay, see, guys, this portion, the ground floor of the door, this will basically tell you how the entire door is coming. Like, this is how the door opening is going to look like. So, this is the panel, this is all the panel, and then you will have the line also. So, this is nothing but the line. Under create, this model line which you have now, this is what that is. It's just a line under, and then even you can like, if you want to categorize the line, you can actually categorize it to plan, swing, projection. Then this will be panel. So this is a drafted. This floor plan has been drafted for the door. Now, one very important thing which I'll tell you. Uh, See, once you have edited your door, right? Once you have edited your door, how do you load it into the project? You will click on this load into project command. So load into project, and here it will ask you whether you want to override the existing version and its parameter values. Why is it asking us this? Because we did the changes in the family, in the M single flush family only. So I'll do override. Now, can anybody tell me why did it get changed in all the doors?
Because it is of same family.
Yeah, yeah. And what if I didn't want to do this? I wanted it to come as a separate one. No, not duplicate. Always remember, duplicating was for creating different types. Yeah, somebody said save as, right? Yes, correct. That's what you have to do. You have to save as that family file. So basically, let's say you have created some changes or whatever, then you have to do save as. Save as that family file at let's say whatever 1 2 3 I have named it for now. Save. Now it is 1 2 3. Now whatever change I'll be doing in let's say this belongs to M single flush. Now if I again go back to M single flush and I'll just delete all the changes. I'll delete all the changes and load into project. See, all of them got changed, right? Now, this one is 1 2 3. I did save as. This is a different file now. This is not M single flush. M single flush is this one. So this I'll close. This I've already loaded. This I'll close. This one I did save as 1 2 3. Now I will load this into project. Now see, it will come as a different door. See, these two.
Please could you repeat how did you save it? There's some problem with Zoom, it's closing. So.
Okay. See what I did. Let's say I'll open this single flush family. Now pay attention on this part. This is M single flush family. Now let's say I want to make some change in this one. Okay. Let's see something like this I have created. Again, I have selected the work plane. I'm creating the glass panel. I'll do OK. And in this one, I'll select the glass. OK. and I have created this type of door. Now, before loading into project, what I have to do is I'll go to file, I'll do save as family, and let's say I name it door single glass panel. Door single glass panel. See, over here it will be updated. Door single glass panel. Now when you load into project, then it will ask you to place it. Then in your 3D you can see all the 3 types.
I have a doubt
Yeah,
with the family.
yeah.
When we were editing the door,
Hmm.
when you see any elevation of the floor plan, you can actually see a wall.
Yeah.
But in the view, there is no wall.
Hmm.
Why is that so?
Because see what is happening over here, we'll get to know one part of what we are doing. We have given the wall as a host over there. So what happens in the door family? That's why you can see the door thing only when you're attaching it to the wall, because Revit has mentioned that as the host.
Okay.
So this is the host for your door.
So how do we
See, that is basically, that will be whenever you will be opening the door family file also, no, as in to create a new type of door, then that is going to be there for you. Like that part you will be seeing always. Like it won't be visible in your 3D and all, but in the ground floor plan, you will see this basic wall. And there is also something which I'll tell you. We'll get to that one more portion later, but then for now, just keep in mind that your wall is going to be your host for a door, which you have mentioned already in the family. Okay? But you will see one very important thing which I want all of you to notice is, can you see a difference over here? What is happening?
Door size is differing, ma'am.
No, not door size.
The
glass
dotted
panel
line.
It's opened inward.
No,
It's
no,
opened
not
inward.
that. Not
The
that.
glass
Not
panel
that.
is being shown.
Ma'am, void glass, single glass
Yeah,
panel, double glass panel.
And also one more thing is the direction doesn't matter. See, when you go and do place door, okay, let's say I'm doing this one only, and if you click on it, see you get these double-sided arrows. No, you can flip the sides of the door, so that doesn't matter. Like this, you can flip the side. But now this part is coming. Why is this thing coming? So you go to the 3D of the door. Let's just close all of these files for now. Okay. Now when I go to the 3D of this door, and if you click on this door, if you click on this glass panel, now I'll open one dialog box. You need to pay attention at the settings of the dialog box. And sorry, and you need to tell me what is the difference between the dialog box of two different elements. So this is the door panel, and I'm clicking on visibility setting. Now pay attention in this part. Have you seen like which all boxes are checked, which all are not checked? Now, after you have seen this, do OK.
Ma'am, how did you open the dialog box?
Click on the, first click on the door panel, and then automatically under mode, you will see the visibility setting. Okay, now once you are done with clicking on the visibility setting of the panel, click on the visibility setting of the glass panel. After clicking on the door panel, click on the glass panel and click on the visibility settings. What is the difference which you can see?
In the door panel, we only front, back, and left, right were ticked, but in this, all the four are ticked.
So
and in detail levels too, course only course was ticked there.
Yeah.
Here,
So now, no, this one all were ticked, I think. Detail level, like where this thing is going to be visible. See, all are ticked. Only this portion, plan and cut plan is not ticked. Okay, so now I'll click on this glass panel and I'll go to visibility settings. Now I will uncheck the plan and cutting plan. What am I doing? Basically, when even this is an extrusion, but this extrusion was not seen in the plan because the visibility setting was changed, that you don't have to be visible in the 3D, and then do OK. Now, when you see in your ground floor, you can't see the, okay, over here it will be present. Let's just load it into the file, project file first. See, again, I'll check the visibility setting, nothing is there. Now I'll do load into project. See, it's not there. So basically there is this visibility setting command which you have to check. So try doing that, everyone.
Mom, what will happen if we untick front and back also? Like,
It
will
won't be
not see.
visible in the elevation, but you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
want that, right?
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so this is one very important thing while you're creating doors, that seeing the visibility settings and all these things are really important. Now, one more thing which is going to be there is okay, so this we have learned that how we created the door, how we created extrusion in it, and all these things. Now, for door, you will see that still level is there, but then if I go to the 3D, still level is there, and I think like generally for door by default it will be 0, but if you want you can lift it like this. Okay, if you want you can lift it like this, and you can just change this and apply. That's an instance parameter. Now, another thing which we will see in the floor plan is
Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt, but if I untick the plan and when cut in plan options, then still I am able to see the marks on in the level plan.
In which level plan? In the door file or in the project file?
Project file.
In the project file. That means you haven't done override the second option, override the parameters as well.
Oh.
Now, after creating doors, we will see another option, which is basically, okay, also in door, I'll tell you how to load a new type of door. So click on door, and here you have load family. So when you click on this, it will automatically take you to the door library of Revit, which is basically inside your libraries in their door commercial. Like right now, I'm in commercial door. I can get into the residential door as well. And then you just have to do open. And it will ask you like which all this thing do you want to um, take, like which all types do you want to have, and right now all of them are there. So okay, open. Now see, you have this door. Now when I go to my 3D view, see this is placed. So it's very easy to load your door, like different type of door if you want to load. It's very easy to load it into your project.
Ma'am, where is load family?
Go to architecture, door.
Door.
Load family.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we duplicate this?
Duplicate what?
This door, ma'am, which is loaded from load family.
Yeah, you want to duplicate the type?
Yes, ma'am. I want to duplicate this type.
Yeah. So because all the basically every entity which you have is going to have some or the other parameters which you can change while duplicating. So if I click on this, I go to edit type, it's again the same thing. I can change all these things.
Ma'am, how exactly to load the files? Like I clicked on load family and then
Soumya, you clicked on the load family again. Nothing is coming.
yeah, things are coming like annotations, then conceptual mask, then title blocks. These three options are there.
Okay, so 1 second. This one, is it coming like this?
No, only three options are there.
Okay, check the path.
Okay, yeah.
Is it Revit? Which version are you using?
2017.
2017, okay. Then libraries, then India.
No, it's Revit 2017, then family templates, then English.
Okay, fine. Then you don't have all these options, is it? Title, there will be system family, title blocks, windows.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, even I don't have it.
Okay, it should be there only. Otherwise, in which folder you can find it? 1 second. So just follow me for now. Okay, I want to see which all folders are there. So you can see the program data folder.
Yeah.
Then click on that. Autodesk.
Yeah.
Then RVT, whatever, like whichever is your this thing. Okay. Now you have all these options.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
here you have to go to libraries. Like what?
Generic India and South Asia in libraries.
Indian.
Okay.
Now can
Yeah,
you
I
see?
got these things. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, what was happening? I think you were in the family templates, and here you had the English one. This one you were getting.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to go to the libraries, not the families. Family templates.
Okay.
Because remember, those were the family templates which we were using.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm not still getting it. So I went to the Revit 2021,
Yeah.
then libraries.
Hmm.
Then there's nothing as Indian. It's just the Chinese English or English Imperial. That's what I'm getting.
Click
You
on
can actually
English.
see the same thing.
Sorry, what should I click on?
Click on English.
Yeah. Then it's showing me just structural precast. That's it.
Yeah,
That's
even
only the
even
folder.
I'm getting the
Even
same
even,
thing.
even
Okay, but then, guys, I think as per as remember, Vaishnavi, Khalil, you all also had the problem with the library, like the families
yeah.
from the. So that's why, like, your library is not installed. That's the problem.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
need to install the library because I remember you all have mentioned this problem before also. So get the online, like online only you will get the entire Revit library. It will be for
Okay.
1.5 GB or something, and then you can just open it and use it.
Okay. Fine. We'll do that.
Ma'am, which all versions? I mean, which all thing should we want to download? English, Chinese, like that.
No, it will be 1 second. I'll just show it to you again. You will get libraries. And here you will have doors, and all the options will be there for doors.
Okay.
Okay,
Not there, ma'am. Not there.
not there.
Not there.
You'll have to download it. Just check once if you're able to download it, and then let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So now, guys, this was about the door part. Now, after coming, like after knowing about the door, we'll just see the window part. But then, in window part, what is important? The sill height. So when you place any window, let's say I select, because these are the preloaded ones. So I select any window, and let's say I'm just placing it over here. All right. Now you can actually click on the window, and then you can change the sill height. So you can edit the sill height from here. You can edit this sill height from here. And again, even in this one, the edit type, you will have all these dimensions and all, and even the materials you can edit, all these things you can change. And for window also, you can go and do edit family. But then windows are generally much more complicated than doors. But so it's better that you will actually, you guys haven't received the written notes yet, no? The notes for the Revit.
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. I think today or maybe tomorrow, maximum tomorrow, I'll be putting up the notes on your in your folder, and then you can have a look. And there, I think this will also be mentioned. The site, there are two sites mentioned in the notes from where you can actually go and download various families for your windows, doors, windows, all these things. Okay, so I'll be sharing that most probably today or tomorrow morning. I try to share it like as soon as possible because I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
now, yeah, now you all can practice from that. So, yeah,
Ma'am,
so,
I have a doubt.
yeah.
Just a general one regarding both doors and windows. What
Hmm.
exactly is trim?
So that is the frame part.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, once you know like how the doors and windows, both of them are created, so there is one more important thing which you all need to know is how to create groups in how to create groups in Revit. also now, because you know how to use the load family option. So if you guys remember, when we used to go to component and place a component, here you have this load family option. Remember? So basically what is happening, component refers to any of the families which you want to load. So just like door is a family of Revit which needs to be loaded into the project. So when you go to door, it automatically takes you to the door folder. But let's say that you have downloaded something, some object you have downloaded, and that you want to the family, that family you want to put into your Revit file. How do you do it? Go to architecture, component, instead of model and place, this time we want to place an element which is already, like, you know, we have already downloaded. So do place a component, and then you can do load family, and whatever you have you can select whichever family you want to download. You can download it into our load it into our project file. So that is the main, like, basically this is going to be very helpful for you all. Load component, load family using the place a component option. Now another thing, like, just try doing that once, guys. Done, everybody? Okay. Now, another important thing is that let's just go to the floor plan. Now, if you click on this object, or just select these three, you will have something called create group, and you can name the group. Okay, under architecture, you have model create group, and if you don't want to do that, even when you have selected multiple objects, no, you get this option of create group even in the modify option, this icon. So either you can select them and go to architecture and do create group, or when you select them, click on this create group option. Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So now once it's just very similar to what we use in other softwares, like let it be a block or a component or something. Even over here, it works in the similar manner. So now let's see that what if I want to edit this group? So I'll click on edit group. Now, how do you know that you're inside a group? everything, your interface will change yellow, like this, the workspace will become yellow. Now, what are things you can do? You have these
Mom,
three options. Yeah.
did you double click to get that yellow, mom?
Yeah, I mean, if you can double click also, and then you can just click on edit group also.
Okay, mom.
Okay. Now see, you have these three elements. Now let's say you want to add something to the element. Okay. Click on add to group. And now, right now I have these three. So basically, once you do add to group, whatever except for the group, whatever is not added in the group, everything will be highlighted and the group will be faded out. So you just click on these like this. Okay, you can just click on these, and let's say you are done, and this entire thing is your group. So it will show a blue dash rectangle around the group which has been formed. So now let's say again I double click and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, all these elements are in the group. Now if you want to remove anything, you can just go to remove from group and then select all these things and do finish. But all
Mom,
these, yeah,
can we drag and select it?
no, you can't. You'll have to pick.
Okay, mom.
Ma'am, if we have to move a single component, how can we move? We have to go to a group and move it.
If you want to move this thing, something inside
Yeah,
this, right? Just move it.
yeah, something. Okay, we have to go to the
Yeah,
edit
yeah,
group.
because now it's a part of the group, no? Like, are
Okay,
you
okay.
talking in general? Like, in general, you can move it like this. But when it's a part
No,
of
not
the
in
group,
group.
yeah, then you need to enter the group and then only you can edit the group.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now see, if let's say this one I have created, and I just by pressing Control you can copy it, and in this one you are deleting this. And it will be reflected in your other group as well. All right. So this is like a very basic, but then yeah, as I was saying, that you have to keep this in mind that whenever you're using this group thing, just like in any other software, what it does, it makes the file very heavy. Like as many components, as many groups you're adding, it will keep making it heavy. So use it very wisely. So let's say if one entire floor furniture, if you want to keep it in one group, that you can do. If there is something else like some one specific thing which you want to keep as a group and you don't want it to be messed up, then you can keep it as a group. So these things are going to be helpful only when you're using it wisely, or else what it will do, it will just unnecessarily keep your making, like it will keep making the entire file heavy. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so this is how you create the group. Now another important thing which is there, so now we will learn how to create the roof. So for roof, like right now we have created the walls over here, and if I want to create the roof, I'll just go to this roof option. First one is roof by footprint. Roof by face we have already seen. We will see roof by footprint. So click on this. As soon as you click on roof by footprint, it will ask you on which level do you want to create the roof. So it will automatically pick the highest level and you do yes. So right now level 2 is selected. You can even pick any other option, but then I want level 2. Now level 2 is selected. I'll do yes. Now as soon as you click on the roof command, create roof footprint, you get into the boundary line, basically creating the boundary line for the roof. So now take any of the drafting tools over here and start creating the roof profile. Now, is there any difference which you can see in the pink line which we generally used to make and what we got right now?
Those
Triangle
arrows,
shape.
mom.
Yes, there are these triangles over here. So when you click on the line, see it is telling you the basically the angle, the slope of this edge. So what happens by default, Revit is going to create a pitched roof for you. So right now, if let's say after all these 4 sites, I'll click on this green tick. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Yes. And now if I see my 3D, see, it has been sloped from this side, this side, this side, and this side. From all the sides, it has been sloped.
Can you repeat,
Mom,
ma'am?
mom, is it like from default, mom?
Yeah. Slope is a default.
Ma'am, can you please repeat that?
Yes, yes.
Can't we change the height of the roof? We can.
Yeah, we can. We'll see now. So now, let's say that we have created this now. Again, I'll show it to you again. So I'll go to roof by footprint. My level is showing which level I want to create the roof. Now I'll create the boundary line. Now that's it. Once you're done with this, you can do OK. But what if I don't want slope? So just if you don't want slope on any side, click on this and you can uncheck define slope. Just go here and do uncheck define slope. And once you're done with that, do OK. Again, it will ask you, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Yes. And then you will see in your 3D. This is how your roof is going to look like. Yeah.
For me, it didn't ask like attached to roof. It automatically attached.
It's okay. It happens, no problem. Now we will see how we can get the option of attached to roof. We can always choose that by selecting the wall. We'll see that later.
Okay.
Archita,
Yeah.
My roof by footprint, the slope option is not coming. It is coming either direct. It's coming as a slab itself. And the last thing that you told me about define slope, I tried it through define slope, but still I can't see this. I've checked define slope, but still I couldn't get the option.
You couldn't get. So let's say you go to your site plan first, see your roof plan, double click on it, and click on any of the edge. You can't see anything called define slope over here. Or under your properties panel.
What?
You can't see the
Defined roof slope. It's checked right now.
Yeah, it's
checked. Oh yeah. Now I can see. Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't Okay, fine.
Yeah. And if you click on your edge and then you click on this, you can actually change the slope also. Let's say you want like 20 degrees. Even this one you want 20 degrees. You can change the slope also and then do OK. Now, what if you want a flat roof?
We'll click on all the define
Yeah, you
edges.
have to uncheck all the define slope option. And then you will get a flat roof. Just try this, everyone.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Now we will see another important and like it's a very useful way of creating roof. So let's just create wall first. Go to 3D. Now under roof you have something called roof by extrusion. Click on roof by extrusion. As soon as you click on roof by extrusion, Revit will ask you to pick a work plane. Pick a plane. Okay. And then you have to pick and change the visual style into hidden line, and I will pick a vertical plane. And then again it will ask me whether I want the reference level for the roof to be level 2. I'll do OK. And now I will go to like a elevation, whatever, turn on your show command, and whatever is my proper view for so that I can see here and I can draw the profile, I'll go to that. Now pay attention over here, everyone, what I'm doing. So now what I'm doing is I'm creating the profile for extrusion. It's going to be a single line profile. All other things are defined under my properties, like whatever roof type I want, all those things are there. In fact, even the edit type option, just like we learned for the wall, even over here, the entire structure can be changed. Okay, so the structure and the thickness, everything can be changed over here. And all we have to do is we have to draw a profile. So let's say that I create something like this. Okay, let's say I have something like this. I have to make a single line profile only because I don't need to give thickness or anything to this line, because automatically we have under properties, we have given this thing to Revit that this is going to be the thickness of the roof. So all it is going to do is follow the profile, single line profile. So once you are done with creating the profile, you have to do OK. Now see. Just the entire profile just got extruded. But you will see that your walls are not attached to the roof. How do you do that? Once you're done with creating the roof, you have to click on the walls. Whichever is not attached, click on them. Then pay attention on this point, everyone. I have selected the walls. I do attach top. And then I have clicked on this and then I click on the top. One second. Okay, there's some error coming. 1 second, I'll have to draw it again. You just have to click on that attach top option. So I'll just try creating it again. Roof by extrusion, pick a plane. I'll pick a vertical plane. Okay. I will make a profile. I'll do okay. I'll select all the walls and I will do attach top. See, now it happened. There might be some problem with the profile, but then see, that's like basically this is what you have to do. Once you are done with the creating the roof by extrusion profile, your roof is created. See, even this one, just like in extrusion, we had that all those arrows to pull the extrusion, we have it over here as well. So once you are done with the extrusion, you have to select all the walls which you want to attach to that roof. So click on all the walls and then click on this option, attach top, and then select your roof. That's it. That's all you have to do. And all your walls will be attached to the roof. Now, can anybody tell me that like where do you think this roof by extrusion is going to be helpful for you all?
Canopy.
Canopy and
Sloping roof.
And sorry, what?
Sloping roof.
Sloping roof is for this one, no? We have that roof by footprint. Especially for this one, roof by extrusion. If you guys remember all the industrial warehouses and all, there you have those northern lights or such warehouse, you have these curved profile roof, which is basically a profile and it is extruded till the length of the whatever area is there for the warehouse or any industrial unit. So in all those areas, you will find that this making of just a profile and extruding it throughout the area, that is a but much better option to create roof. So this is what will be helpful for you all. Okay, is there anybody having any doubt?
Thank you.
Anyone?
No, ma'am.
All right. So, guys, we'll end the class over here now. And tomorrow again, I'll see you on at the respective time. Like for I think few of you, it's 7:30, and for rest, I'll see you all at 9:30. Okay. And if you have any doubt, then just let me know.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Who don't
Thank
have
you.
their families downloaded, na, the library family, please download it. And if you have any problem in the download or anything, just let me know. I'll help you out.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please upload those written notes now.
Yeah. I'll just have to. I thought Chaitanya had uploaded it, but then I'll have a talk with them and I'll upload it. Don't worry.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Yeah, thanks.
It's the same thing. What we do in the class, it's the exact same thing. Which
Yeah, but you were telling now it had all those
yeah,
links to
those links.
for the
No? Yeah,
plugin.
yes.
Yeah.
I'll share that. Don't worry. I'll share that maximum by tomorrow afternoon. I'll share it. Don't worry.
Okay,
Before class,
sure.
I'll share. Okay. All right. Okay then, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Bye.